Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So there's a week left in February and I want to jump into the small scale group build. I have participated the last several years. I've done 2 cars, 1 to 32s, and I've done some motorcycles, a 1 to 20 and a 1 to 24 in past years. So I want to jump back in, and this past year I saw something out there, a bit of a holy grail kit. I have, I think I showed you in the past, collected these sets of small bikes, these Kawai 1 to 20s. They make 8 technically, but it's the same bike twice with different decals, so I got the 4 separate bikes. I just have the BMW left to go there. And then these Suni kits, and they actually have 8 separate ones you can see there, and I've already built the Yamaha and the Honda I just showed you. And this past year I noticed they have the Suzuki GT750. Well, they also have it with a sidecar, and I just like, that was way too cool. I've never built one with a sidecar before, so I grabbed it with this group build in mind. So I'm gonna pull that out, and we'll do an unboxing, and maybe I'll pull out this one as well and do an unboxing of both. Before we get into the unboxing, let me just say some thank yous. So I want to thank Grumpy Greg and 60s Rule for stepping in and hosting this year. In past years it was hosted by Sean at Scale Model Car Guy. This year he couldn't do it, so 60s Rule and Grumpy Greg stepped up, and they're hosting this year. So a real quick thank you to those guys. So yeah, I've pulled these out of the shelf, and in anticipation of this, I went out and looked for references, and lo and behold, found the exact bike, which is pretty cool. But yeah, there's several, again, walk around sites out there, and there's a blue one, and then there's this yellow one, and that's a walk around. So I've got my references ready to go, and yeah, let's get into these 2 kits and take a look. Okay, so to start with, I went out on ScaleMates. The instructions for neither of these was out there, so I will go and do that. So let's open up. Now, I did take a peek in here earlier, and this was all sealed, or at least packed up, and I'm not sure if the person who had this, I bought this on eBay, by the way, if the person who had this packed it this way. Ooh, there's still glue in there. That's kind of cool. And then here's the instructions. Oh, there's the decals. Ooh, those look to be in pretty nice shape. And now, if I recall, instructions on these are inside the box. Like that. Yeah, and that's the same instructions. And then this is the instructions for the sidecar. Cool. And these weren't out there either, so I'll probably take a picture of those and then copy these and put them out on ScaleMates. Oh, this has chrome. Wow. I just realized that. So here, let's do this one first. So this is, as I said, I built 2 of these already, and out of this series, and basically it's, a motorcycle split down the middle from the top, except for the seats, but you can see it's basically the whole thing, but split down the middle. So you have to do some seam work up on the top here, but very low part count. And typically, the detail is obviously not exquisite, but, pretty good. They capture, the more than just the general outline of the bike, I guess I should say. So here are those pieces. And then in here, yeah. So they chrome this. Wow. But yeah, I'm just surprised that that they chrome this. But you know, this is probably a few years later, I would imagine. Okay, and then yeah, these two sprues are the same, as are these. And they do an interesting thing. They these are both the foot pegs and the kickstand. And it works pretty well. And then while this is you know, plastic, the tires aren't bad. They look, you know, fairly realistic for the scale. And then here's the sidecar. So no glass. I think I see what's going on. Okay, so I think this is in Japanese. I'll bet it probably says something along the lines of cut a piece of plastic to that size. Yeah, yep, that looks like what it is. Okay, so I've got some spare, you know, clear plastic laying around. So you'll have to make your own windshield. That's interesting. Wow, talk about flash. Look at that. They do the tire and the wheel as all one piece. So this should be interesting. You know, we'll see. Maybe I'll do both at the same time. Who knows? Let me upload these instructions, print out my instructions, get my whole process kind of in place, and along the way I'll make a decision, and maybe I'll do both at the same time. All right, back at the bench, and yeah, I put those instructions out on ScaleMates and then printed those out, and you know, per my process, made a few notes. And yeah, I think I'm going to do both of these at the same time, and kind of knock both of those out and have them sitting on the shelf together. So I have my references, and I really like that blue, and I like the green on the box art. So pulled out my blues and my greens, and I am leaning toward these metallics. Haven't done that SRX6 in that metallic orange. I think that came out really well. So I have this metallic green, and then I have in the blues, racing blue, and then deep metallic blue. So I am leaning toward these metallics. I'll do some test sprays, but I think this is what I'm going to go with for those two bikes. So now I'll get started on cleaning all the parts up and dechroming and my usual process. And you know, I'll probably just knock this out in another single video. So until then, thanks again to Grumpy Greg and 60s Rule for hosting the small scale group build. And until next time, thanks for watching and happy modeling.